Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting video on product critique. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about, an immersive flying experience that will have you soaring through the skies like a bird. If you're into drones, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Alright, folks, let's kick things off by introducing you to an incredible package that's set to revolutionize the way you fly your drone. We're talking about the perfect combination of goggles and a motion controller that brings the bird's eye view to life. And the best part? It won't break the bank. This package is all about honing your flying skills while having a blast. Setting up this immersive combo couldn't be smoother. Simply plug the goggles into your iPhone or Android device and follow the prompts on the DJI Fly app. Oh, and a quick tip. Make sure all your gear is fully charged before you start, as firmware updates might pop up during setup. A seamless process that gets you ready for high flying action. Now, let's talk about an ingenious security feature, DJI's device binding system. When you purchase a new drone and controller, they're linked to your DJI account. This means no one can use your drone with a different controller, adding an extra layer of protection. But be cautious if you're buying a used drone package, you might need the previous owner's account info. The new FPV goggles have taken a practical turn in design. The battery pack is now smartly mounted at the rear, enhancing both aesthetics and comfort. With no pressure on your nose, you're in for a more comfortable flying experience. Though the battery isn't removable, a full charge should give you around 90 minutes of non-stop flying fun. When it comes to visuals, the Integra goggles shine with 700 nits of brightness and a 1080p display. While you might notice minor blurring at the edges, your focus will mostly be ahead, where the magic happens. Plus, the package includes various corrective lenses, making sure your view is crystal clear, whether your eyesight is top-notch or not. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Motion Controller 2. This little gadget is all about intuitive control. Steer the drone with hand movements and a tiny joystick. Ascend, move forward, go left or right. It's as easy as moving your hand in the desired direction. The comfort and placement of buttons make it a joy to use while wearing the goggles. What sets this combo apart? 3 words: H letter, head tracking, and dive bombing. The H letter marks your drone's takeoff and landing points, keeping you oriented. The head tracking feature lets you control the camera's direction by moving your head, a cool way to explore your surroundings. And with practice, you can recreate the FPV dive bombing effect for that extra thrill. I can't stress enough how intuitive and exhilarating this package is. Flying becomes an absolute joy, especially in tight spaces and tricky maneuvers. While it's perfect for fun flights and capturing amazing FPV-style shots, I'd still recommend a standard controller for traditional cinematic shots. Wrapping things up, if you're looking to elevate your drone flying experience to a whole new level, I wholeheartedly recommend this combo. It's easy to grasp, and the Motion Controller 2 adds a dynamic touch to your flights. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned flyer, this setup is a valuable addition to your drone arsenal. And there you have it, drone enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to this exciting episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thrilling reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy flying!